Tired of airport lines? Let's skip the check-in chaos and breeze through security with American Airlines online check-in. First, head to the American Airlines website, ACOM. On your computer or mobile device, you can also use the American Airlines app, available on both iOS and Android. Look for the Check-in Manage Trip section. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it. Now, you'll need to enter your reservation details. You can do this by entering your last name and either your booking reference number, also known as your record locator, or your AdVantage number. Input the information carefully and double-check for any typos. Once your information is entered, hit Find Reservation. This will bring up your flight itinerary. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Select the passenger or passengers you wish to check in. If you're traveling with others on the same booking, their names will also appear here. Next, you'll be given the option to add or review baggage. Take a look at the baggage allowance for your ticket and make sure your bags meet the requirements. You can often pay for checked bags online at this stage, which can sometimes save you money compared to paying at the airport. Time to choose your seat. The seat map will show you available seats. Select your preferred seat, whether it's a window, aisle, or something closer to the front. If you're not picky, you can usually skip this step and a seat will be assigned to you. If you're a TSA PreCheck member, make sure your known traveler number or KTN is correctly associated with your booking. This will ensure you can use the expedited security lanes. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: your boarding pass. You'll have the option to download it to your phone, email it to yourself, or print it out. I recommend downloading it to your phone. It's the most convenient option. If you choose to print, make sure the barcode is clear and unscratched. If you chose to download it, make sure your screen brightness is turned up when you go through security. And that's it. You've successfully checked in online. Now you can head straight to security, saving you valuable time and stress at the airport. Safe travels.